And here we go. How are you today? You've just arrived in New York, you just passed custom, and all you want to do is reach your final destination. What do people generally do? They take a cab or take an Uber. Okay, but remember this, traffic could be horrible and it could be expensive. Uber most of the time is more expensive than a yellow cab. Now, here's the question. Is there another way to do that? Yes, there is. Now, stick with me. I'm going to show you a few tricks to get out of JFK in 2 minutes and reach Manhattan in 20 minutes. You ready? Let's go!
And here we go. Our train has just reached Jamaica Station and I'm getting off. This video has been recorded on Labor Day 2023. It is approximately 4 p.m. and it is quite crowded, which is perfect for what I am just about to show you. Slowly making my way through the crowd. It's great to see so many people being back to New York. We love visitors. As you can see, most of the tourists are taking the right side, except for these two ladies, but that's all right. I'm in the middle for obvious reasons. Okay. Now, this is the final part of the hallway, and you may be beginning to notice that at the very end of the hallway, there is a large sign with a gray background, which clearly shows where you can buy the fare to exit the airport. Okay, let me show you. Purchase air train exit fare. Okay, so look at that. Yeah, but first let me make sure you've seen it. Purchase air train exit fare. And look at the people right there. Okay, there's a lot of them, but just turn left. You see the newsstand right there. And you can buy your card right there. $9.25, exactly same price. And just to make sure this is the right card, you cannot mistake. It has to have a blue background. Yes. Now, let's go through the gate. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, put it like that. And remember, the cut part is on the upper left. Now, out of the airport. To the right, the stairs to get to the street level, but we're not taking them. Okay, we are zigzagging through people and we make it left. Look at this. Long Island Railroad. Yes, that's where we're going. Jamaica Station. It's just a few steps. Okay, follow me. Just a few more steps. Make it left. And here we are. Jamaica. Now, let's go check the timetable and see the availabilities of trains. Remember, this is a holiday, so you're expected to find less, but look at this. Okay, within 31 minutes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trains to Penn Station. Now, let's see how long it takes. Are you ready?
19 minutes from Jamaica to Penn Station. If there is a stop in the middle, it's 26. And the price? Way less than a cab or a Uber. $5 on a city fare during the week or $12 peak hours. You just do the math. You've been extremely quick getting off the air train, then jumping on a train to Jamaica Station is 30 to 35 minutes compared to the average 50 minutes to an hour, spending way much more money by coming to a car. So, what do you think? Isn't it useful? Did you like it? If so, put a like and why not subscribing to my channel? And thanks so much for supporting me. See you next time.